Today we will discuss the first experiment of chapter 3, how to prepare a standard solution of potassium hydrogen thalate. So the materials required are potassium hydrogen thalate, it is a solid. Then I have already weighed accurately the calculated mass of potassium hydrogen thalate which is required to prepare a 0.1 molar solution of potassium hydrogen thalate. The method is already discussed with you in the previous video, as in how to accurately weigh a definite mass of a sample. Then you need a volumetric flask. So this is a volumetric flask which can weigh 250 ml. You need a funnel, a glass funnel is there, a glass rod, a dropping pipette and distilled water. So I have already discussed with you that I have transferred the calculated mass. Calculated mass means you have to calculate using the equation concentration equal to number of moles by volume how much mass is required to prepare 0.1 molar potassium hydrogen thalate 250 ml. So I have already weighed it and transferred into a 100 ml beaker. Okay, so take a glass rod, put it inside this. Now I am going to take distilled water and transfer distilled water to this, approximately 100 ml. Actually the amount of water does not matter. You can just add the sufficient amount of water. Let it remain a minimum. Don't transfer too much water. You have to make sure that all the crystals of potassium hydrogen thalate completely dissolves. So that is the aim of the water that we are adding. Make sure that all the crystals of potassium hydrogen thalate completely dissolves in the water that you have added. Okay, so irrespective of the volume of water, your aim is to make sure that the crystals completely dissolve. Here approximately I have used around 60 ml of water. Okay, now take the volumetric flask. Now if you observe the volumetric flask, this is actually a glassware to accurately measure a particular volume. Now you can see there's a mark over here on the glass which corresponds to 250 ml. That means if I add a liquid into this and if the lower layer of the liquid coincides with the 250 ml mark given on this, it is considered to be accurately 250 ml. So my aim is to prepare 250 ml of the solution. So what I will do is take a funnel and keep it over this. Now the prepared solution I am going to transfer quantitatively through the glass rod. You have to transfer this through the glass rod to avoid spilling of the solution. So completely you are transferring because already you know the crystals have dissolved. Once you finish the transfer completely, you have to wash the inside of the 100 ml beaker. Okay, so this is to make sure that the concentration of KHP remains the same. So I'm going to wash the inside of this by just turning it around and then transfer the washed solution through the glass rod again. Do this multiple times so that we ensure that the whole of the solution of KHP, potassium hydrogen thalate, is completely transferred. No drops of the liquid remains back in the beaker. Now I kept the beaker down and now I'm going to wash this glass rod because this may have some drops of KHP. So I have washed it with minimum amount of distilled water and kept it back. And then now you take the funnel and wash the inner surface of the funnel also. Now when you prepare any standard solution, this is the sequential steps which you have to follow. This is not only for lab techniques. Whenever you transfer or whenever you prepare a standard solution, you have to follow all these steps. Now you take the distilled water and continue the addition. Now our aim is to add up to 250 ml mark, which is shown here. So I can directly add 1 centimeter below. That means I have to stop the addition, the continuous addition, when I reach approximately 1 centimeter below the mark of 250 ml. Now I'm going to stop, because if I completely add it, I may overflow this. I may go above 250. So now what you have to do is, you have to take a dropping pipette. This is a small dropping pipette. Now you take some amount of distilled water inside the 100 ml beaker, and then you can slowly transfer the drops. Okay, so now you can just have a control over the addition. So just add it. Now take the volumetric flask, raise it, bring it to your eye level and continue the addition. Now you have to add it slowly. You continue your addition till the liquid level coincides with the 200 ml mark. The lower level of the meniscus should be coinciding with the mark. So when you reach that, you can stop. So now it is coinciding, you can see it, not the upper level but the lower level. If you feel you have to add one more drop, you can do that. I feel that I have to add one more drop. Yeah, till now I have not closed the volumetric flask, so you should not close it before. Now when I complete, I will close this and then shake multiple times for maintaining uneven concentration. So many times you invert it up and down like this so that you get a solution. So now this is 0.1 molar 250 ml solution of potassium hydrogen thalate.